Hey, Spike players, welcome back to the channel. Lately, I've been seeing this method all over the internet. People are saying you can get unlimited V-Points and Blue Flames in the Spike. Cross using just your phone. No PC, no fancy tools, super simple. It sounded a little too good to be true, so I decided to test it myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, show you exactly what I did, and reveal the results. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. It's usually right there in your in-game profile or under settings, easy to spot. I located mine real quick and copied it so it was ready for the next step. Nothing confusing here, just a basic setup step. Next, I opened my phone's browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should work. I went to the site everyone keeps mentioning and searched for the Spike Unlimited V-Points and Blue Flame tool. The site loaded normally, no weird redirects or spammy pop-ups, which honestly made it feel more legit than I expected. On the page, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but iOS was an option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and made sure everything looked correct before continuing. After that, I was asked to choose how many resources I wanted. For this test, I went with a maximum amount just to see if anything would actually happen. When I confirmed, the page ran through a few progress bars showing different steps being completed. The layout was clean and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains this clearly and even provides a simple walkthrough so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To see if it worked, I reopened the Spike and checked my V-Points and Blue Flame balance. The extra resources were already there. No delays, no restarting the game, it updated instantly on my device. I honestly didn't expect it to be that smooth. So, based on my test, the method did exactly what it claimed. The process was simple, mobile-friendly, and easy to follow if you pay attention to the steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more real tests and honest reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, let me know how it went in the comments. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.